5, 6, 7, and ordinal number is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay, it is the ordinal number. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. It is the ordinal number, and cardinal number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is cardinal number. Then, when we use numbers before a noun, they function as determiners. Cardinal numbers tell us about quantity. See example, we will take 5 minutes to reach. There are 10 packets of noodles and 20 hungry children. And when we use ordinal numbers means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, it is etc. As determiners, they show sequence. First impressions are not always correct. We won third prize at the tournament. And exercise B is correct the following sentence if they are wrong. Okay, next topic is determinants of distribution. Then next is determinants of distribution. The determinants either, neither, each and every show distribution. First, each used when members of a set are considered individually. The verb used is singular. Means each is used for two or more persons or thing. Okay, each is used for two or more persons or things. And next one, every used when a large but indefinite number of people or things are considered individually. Means every is used for more than two persons or things. Means, okay, is it clear? Each is used for two or more persons or things, and every is used for more than two persons or things. Say example, each person got his share, and every is stronger than each. Okay, every is stronger than each. एवरी जो है वो इच से स्ट्रॉन्ग है. सी एग्जाम्पल, ईच पर्सन गॉट हिज शेयर एंड एवरी मैन डज देयर ड्यूटी. द टू गर्ल्स हैड ईच अ टॉय. Every one of the 11 players tries to win the match. I hope each and every how to use each and every word it is clear. Okay, each used when members of a set are considered individually. The verb used in singular. Each person got his share. And in other language, see, each is used for two or more persons or things. And every used when a large but indefinite number of people or things are considered individually. And every is stronger than each. See, in other language, every is used for more than two persons or things. And next one, either and neither. Either means one of the two or both. One of the two or both means you can pick up either of the boxes. Either side of the road is lined with trees. You can go by either road. And neither. Neither means not either or none of the two. Neither side is winning. She took neither side. He belongs to neither the ruling party nor the opposition. Our next topic is demonstrative determiners. No, this sorry, that determiners is complete, na? Demonstrative determiners explanation complete. And next, yes, next one, determiners of distribution, it is complete. And next, interrogative determiners. Interrogative determiners, when we ask questions, we use interrogative determiners like what, which, and whose. Whose house is this? Which painting would you like to buy? What time will we reach? Which city is your favorite? Okay, means interrogative determiners. When we ask questions, we use interrogative determiners. Next one, exercise C, and after exercise C, next topic is predeterminers, central determiners, and post determiners. In a sentence, we often use more than one determiner before a noun. We give presents to all our teachers on Teachers' Day, and that was the last time I saw him. See, we can divide determiners into three categories based on the order in which they occur in a phrase. First one, predeterminers, central determiners, and post determiners. The three types of determiners occur in a phrase in the following order. First, predeterminers, central determiners, and post determiners. Any of these three types of determiners can occur independently before a noun without the other two types preceding or following it. Predeterminers, when we wish to specify quantity in a noun. Okay, when we wish to specify quantity in a noun, we use predeterminers before them. Predeterminers include expression that multiply quantity, including expressions that in the world times once, twice, 10 times, etc. Say example, you need to make this effort to pass. He bought the book for 3 times its cost. Words that stands for fractions, half, one third, 3/4, etc. Manish finished off half the ice cream. He packed only one third his belongings. And the words all and both. I put all my books in the cupboard. Did you read both the books? We can normally use only one predeterminer before a noun. We cannot say he bought the book for all 3 times its cost. Did you read both the books? Okay, we can normally use one predeterminer before a noun. I say, did you read both the books? Books, it is a noun, and we know determiner use before a noun. Determiners word use before a noun. Then, did you read both the books? Both, it is a determiner. I put, it is a predeterminers. And I put all my books in the cupboard. Next one, central determiners. Central determiners occur after predeterminers and before post determiners. It is come after predeterminers and before post determiners. The most commonly used central determiners are the articles a and the. There is half a glass of milk in the fridge. Both the friends joined the same college. There is half an hour left. The possessive are also classified as central determiners. I spent all my money at the fair. Hari gave half his share to his brother. All their efforts were rewarded when they won the first prize. Hari gave half his share to his brother. All their efforts were rewarded when they won the first prize. The demonstrative are central determiners. This, that, these, and those. Please put all these marbles in the jar. I need something that size for the party. I can buy 4 times those chocolates for you. Central determiners include the interrogative determiners what, which, and whose. Whose pencil is it? Which country? Which country in the world is the coldest? Other central determiners include no, each, every, either, neither, some, any, and enough. No country in the world has 3 capitals. This bulb doesn't give enough light. And next one, post determiners. cardinal and ordinal numbers are post determiners. 2, 4, 5, first, fifth, etc. When we left the two children home, it was quite late. This is their fourth year in Gopalpur. General ordinals like last, next, other, another, etc. are also post determiners. Do you remember our last meeting? Please try another color. This is too bright. When used together, the ordinals always come before cardinals. Okay, always come before cardinals. When used together means ordinals and cardinals both. The ordinals always come before cardinals. The last 6 runs were scored by Sachin, and the first 10 children were given free computers. Quantifiers like many, few, several, much, little, etc. are post determiners. I hope my little contribution will help my sister took most of my books. The few books I have are on the shelf. Remember, if any adjective is used to describe a noun, it comes after all the determiners.